Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a breaking news. Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi clinched victory in the Varanasi seat for the third consecutive term, trumping over Congress candidate Ajay Rai. Modi's victory margins this time stands at 1,52,513 votes, a decrease from his previous wins in 2019 and 2014. In 2019, Modi secured a victory margin of 4,79,505 votes, defeating SP's Salini Yadav, with Ajay Rai finishing as the runner-up in 2014. Modi's victory margin was 3,71,784 votes when he trumped over AAP's Arvind Kejriwal's. According to Hindustan Times data, Modi witnessed a decrease in votes across all 5 assembly constituencies within the Varanasi Lok Sabha constituency compared to the 2019 elections, though numbers remain slightly higher than in 2014. The Varanasi region comprises 12 Lok Sabha seats: Varanasi, Jaunpur, Machisior, Bhadoi, Chandoli, Mirzapur, Robertsganj, Gazipur, Ghosi, Azamgarh, Lalganj and Balia. The BJP and its ally Apna Dal Sonia Lal secured victorious in 7 seats in 2019. However, they faced losses in Jaunpur, Gazipur, Ghosi, Lalganj and Azamgarh. Azamgarh was later reclaimed in a bypoll after SP chief Akhilesh Yadav vacated the seat to contest assembly elections. In 2024 elections, the BJP managed to secure victorious in only 3 seats: Varanasi, Bhadoi and Mirzapur by Ali Apna Dal Sonia Lal, suffering defeats in Jaunpur, Majlis Shahar, Chandoli, Robertsganj, Gazipur, Ghosi, Lalganj, Azamgarh and Balia. In the Ajodhya region out of 9 Lok Sabha constituency, the BJP faced defeat in 5 despite winning 7 seats in 2019. Notably, the loss in Faizabad, where the Ram temple was inaugurated, went to the Samajwadi parties of this Prasad Singh. BJP candidate Maneka Gandhi also suffered her first electoral loss to the Samajwadi party's Rambuhal Nishad in Sultanpur. While the BJP lost some key constituencies, it secured victories in other within the Ajodhya region such as Kaisarganj, Gonda, Dumriaganj and Baharich. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.